So I'm taking it input line I, and that input line will be common. It will be common to each and every of these AND gates. Okay, it will be common to each and every AND gates like that. Maybe like that. So this is the input line I, and here, so if from here we are getting y0, y1, y2, y3. So this is the circuit diagram of DMUX. This is the circuit diagram of DMUX, and this is 1:4. This is 1:4 DMUX. Okay, so this is the block diagram. 1:4. I can write it. I should write it actually. 1:4 DMUX. As it is 1:4 DMUX, there are two select lines, one input lines, four output lines. Select lines are S0, S1. So combinations are 4. According to that, getting the outputs. According to that, writing the equations. And from this equation, we are converting it to circuit diagram. So that is basically the DMUX like this. Okay. Now, like 1:4, you can draw 1:8 DMUX. In case of 1:8 DMUX, again, similarly, you will be needed 3 select lines. And you will have Y0 to Y7, maybe 8 outputs. So according to that, you can draw and you can write it. So 1:8 DMUX. So just DMUX, again, it is just the opposite of MUX. Okay, DMUX is just the opposite of MUX. Okay. Then after DMUX, we will go to another circuit, another type of circuit, which is known as encoder. Encoder. Okay. Encoder is another type of circuit. It is basically, encoder is basically a circuit which can produce a binary output based on some hexadecimal or decimal input. Okay, so encoder is a circuit which can produce some binary output based on some hexadecimal or decimal input, right? So that is basically encoder. Okay, so encoder circuits are very easy to draw. We will start with a very simple encoder circuit because these concepts are important. That is why I'm giving you these things, and question may come that what is encoder, what is the usefulness of encoder, and maybe like that circuit will be given to you, and maybe ask that what is the type of this circuit, how it works, and all that. Based on this, several questions may be asked to you. So encoder. Encoder. As I told you, it's a circuit that can produce binary output. That means 0, 1, based on the given hexadecimal or decimal input. So, like if I start with a very simple encoder, like I have some decimal inputs. And I have some binary outputs. Suppose I have given decimal input 0. So if I provide decimal input 0, I should get 2 outputs. I can name it like that. Outputs can be binary, outputs can be named it like that, y0, y1. Suppose I'm providing decimal input 0. So here I will get 0, 0. I should get 0, 0. Then suppose I'm providing 1. So when I am providing 1, so I should get over here 1 and over here 0. Then if I providing 2, then I should get 1 0. And if I providing 3, so I should get 1 1. So like that I should get. So this is my decimal, this is my binary output. So now how the circuit will look like? Let's see the circuit will look like. So circuit will be very simple. Here in encoder, basically I will consider that I have a power source of suppose plus 5 volt DC. I have a power source of plus 5 volt DC, high power source. That can be considered as high input, like that. And I have some lines like this. It's with switches. This is switch. This is another switch. This is another switch, and this is another switch. So here it is 0 line. Here it is 1. Here it is 2, and here it is 3. Like that. Now you can see when it is 0. When it is 0, my y0 and y1 both are zeros. Okay. So over here, I have a OR gate. The OR gate y0. This is another OR gate, or y1. This is y0 OR gate. This is y1 OR gate. Now when it is 0, so when it is 0, that means what? When it is 0, that means in the y0 and y1 over here, y0 and y1 over here, I should get zeros. So when I should get zeros, so I no need to connect these lines with here, as because whenever I will connect these lines with these OR gates, that means these switches will be closed, and from here I will get the input 1. From here I will get the input 1. So I don't need here any input. I need here 0. I mean, from here I need 0 for zeros. I mean, when my decimal input is 0, this is my decimal input. So when it is 0, I should get 0 from here, from these two things. So that is why I will not connect anything. Okay. Similarly, when it is 1, when my decimal input is 1, now let's see, let's check it over here. When my decimal input is 1, so I should get what? I should get, in case of y0, I should get 1. In case of y1, I should get 0. So only y0, this line will be connected. Only y0, this line will be connected. That means what? Whenever it will be 1, switches will be closed. From here, plus 5 volt DC will come to here. Plus 5 volt DC is basically we're considering is at 1 voltage, high voltage. So here it will be 1, and here it will remain 0. So combination will be 1 0. Okay, so that is 1 0. That is 1. Next for 2. Next for 2. 2, when it is 2, to see this is 0, this is 1. So this is 1. For 2, this will be the combination, because from 2, for 2, y0 should be 0, y1 should be 1. So আচ্ছা, কে বারবার চালাচ্ছিস? আমার কথাটা ইকো হচ্ছে। Okay, next is 43. For 3, you see both are 1. y0 is 1, y0 is 1, y1 is 1. Okay, so for 3, both the lines will be connected. For 3, both the lines will be connected. Okay, so whenever I will provide the decimal input 3, this switch will be closed. So from here, both the gates, both these OR gates will get 1 voltage. So 1 1 combination will be generated. So that's the thing is, so that is basically a very simple encoder circuit. That is basically a very simple encoder circuit. Now encoder circuit, you can understand that encoder circuit we are using to encode the things. That means I am providing decimal 0, but it will be shown as binary 0 0. So that is, I'm encoding it into binary. Okay. Next, I am providing decimal 1, I'm getting 1 0, so I'm encoding it to binary. So that is encoder circuit. Okay, that is basically encoder circuit. Now like this you can draw any encoder circuit. Like if you want to draw 0 to 9 decimal number to binary number, that is another circuit can be generated. So over there 0 to 9 will be my decimal inputs. According to that binary numbers will be there. For 0 it will be 0 0 0 0, and for 9 it will be 1 0 0 1, like that. Okay, and then according to that you will take here from 0 to 9. So 9 lines will be there, and I will be needed there are 4 OR gates, as because there are 0 to 9 combinations, so 4 OR gates will be there. এবং according to that you have to draw the thing. Okay, so that is basically an encoder circuit. Now encoder circuit, it is we use it in various scenarios to encode something. Suppose if we want to send some data in an encoded way, that means in much more secure way, then we will use this encoder circuit, this kind of encoder circuits. So that is basically the story about the encoder circuits. Okay, encoder means we are encoding it. You have to remember that we are making it much more secure. We are converting the data in some other way. Okay, decimal 0 binary becomes 0 0, decimal 1 binary becomes 1 0, like that. So that is an encoder circuit. Now if it is okay with you, then I will show you another circuit that is basically the opposite of this encoder circuit. That is basically the opposite of this encoder circuit, that is decoder circuit. One, this is encoder circuit. Now another is decoder circuit, that is just the opposite of these encoder circuits. Okay, so let us see that if it is fine, if it is okay. Are you saying anything, anybody?
सर रिपीट कर दीजिए फिर से, ये समझ में नहीं आया.
ये समझ में नहीं आया, ये पूरा बात कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. ओके,
नहीं सर, सिर्फ सर्किट वाला डायग्राम जो
तो ये सर्किट वाला, अच्छा
हाँ.
सर्किट वाला पार्ट में ये तो सिंपल है. क्या है, हम लोगों के पास हम क्या कर रहा है, हम यहाँ पे 0 से 3 हमारा डेसिमल इनपुट्स है. हम वो 0 to 3 डेसिमल इनपुट्स को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं. ये हमारा टारगेट है. You have to understand what is your motive, your target. Your target is to convert the decimal inputs into binary outputs. Okay, over here in this encoder circuit. Before that, again, you have to understand that encoding means what? Actually, encoding means something that we are trying to encapsulating kind of thing. We are trying to make it, trying to change its form. What we are trying to do over here, we are trying to change the form of it. Okay, हम उसका फॉर्म को चेंज करना चाह रहा है. ओके, जिस भी फॉर्म में वो है उस फॉर्म को हम लोग चेंज करना चाह रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो इसके लिए हम लोग ने जो किया है, अच्छा बिफोर दैट लेट मी सेव योर प्रीवियस रिकॉर्डिंग, अदरवाइज इट विल बी लॉस्ट. और आई हैव टू 1 minute. So what I was telling you, that in the encoders, by the encoder circuits, what we are trying to do in the encoder circuits, we are trying to do is that we are trying to encoding it. Encoding it means we are trying to changing its form. If you say we are trying to change its form. Okay, that means suppose here I am providing 0. So in the actual, when the data will be transmitted in the form 0 0. Now suppose I'm sending 1, so when the data will be transmitted, it will be 1 0. Okay, so like that. Hello,
মর্নিং স্যার,
কে?
আমি শ্রীরামপুর থেকে বলছি। ওই অ্যাডমিশনের ব্যাপারে একটু কথা বলবো।
কিসে?
হ্যাঁ, আপনার ওই বিসিএ তে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, একটু
তো
যদি
আমি বলতে চাইছি, হ্যাঁ
একটু যদি 10 মিনিট পরে ফোন করেন, আমি ক্লাস নিচ্ছি আসলে, তো 10 মিনিট পরে ফোন করলে ভালো হয়.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আমি 10 মিনিট পরে ফোন করছি। ঠিক আছে।
So basically when I'm sending 2, I want to send decimal 2s, but I'm sending it in this form 1 0. I'm sending decimal 3, I'm sending it in this form 1 1. So now it is basically, I'm showing you a very small example, 0 to 3. কিন্তু actually 0 to 3 দিয়ে নয়, actually suppose there are, I'm trying to send from 0 to 1 lakh maybe. Okay, in that case these encoder circuits will be very helpful. I mean I'll be able to encode the things and I will be send it in a secure way. That's the basic motive of it. Okay, today your basic উদ্দেশ্য. So the thing is that here the circuit, coming to this circuit here, when the input here, what is this? This is plus 5 volt DC. Now plus 5 volt DC means high voltage. High voltage, we have two kinds of voltages in binary, either 1 or 0. So actually 1 voltage, but there is nothing like 1 voltage, nothing like 0 voltage. It is not like that. Some voltage we consider it as 1, some voltage we consider it as 0. Suppose when I'm considering plus 5 volt DC as 1, then in that device I may consider plus 3 volt as 0. Okay, or maybe minus 5 volt as 0. Okay, it is like that. Okay, so plus 5 volt DC here, that means it is high voltage. You can write it like that, plus 5 volt DC, that means it is high voltage. Okay, high voltage. So this is a single source of plus 5 volt DC, constant power is coming over here. Okay, from there I have got several switches, several connectors. When this switch will be closed, then will be this voltage, high voltage will come to this line. Remember, when this switch will be closed, then only this as 5 volt DC high voltage will come to this particular section. For each and every section it is true. যখনই এই সুইচটা ক্লোজ হবে তখনই একমাত্র এই যে মেইন সোর্স সেখান থেকে লাইনটা এখানে আসবে, কারেন্ট ফ্লোটা. So that's the thing is. So now what is my target? My job is to generate decimal 0 1 2 3. For that I have to generate the binary numbers. So for decimal 0, if you see over here, your combination should be 0 0, y0 0, y1 0 for decimal 0. Hello.
স্যার আমি আগে মল্লিক বলছিলাম স্যার এই ভিডিও থেকে
10 মিনিট পরে ফোন করো, ক্লাসে আছে। So when it is 0, so 0 0. Okay, so here I don't have to connect it. Why I will connect it? Because whenever I will connect it, you can say that why you are not connecting to generate 0. I mean, for decimal 0, try to understand the thing. For decimal 0, you have to generate 0 0 from here and here. So 0 0 from here and here, so tomar 0 0 mane ki? 0 0 mane there is nothing. Okay, so আমি যদি এটা কানেক্ট করে দিই এখানে, তাহলে তো এখানে 1 চলে আসবে। কানেক্ট করলেই তো সুইচ ক্লোজ হয়ে যাবে, 1 চলে আসবে। তো সেটা তো আমার চাই না, আমার তো চাই 0 0। তাই জন্য আমি এখানে কোনো 0 0 এর জন্য এখানে কিছু কানেক্ট করিনি। দেখো 0 0 তে কিছু কানেক্টই নেই, দরকার নেই তো। কানেক্ট করলে তো 1 চলে আসবে। তো আমি অনলি সেগুলোকে কানেক্ট করেছি যেখানে 1 আছে। কোথায়? 1 এর ক্ষেত্রে আমার আছে y0 এর ক্ষেত্রে 1, y1 এর ক্ষেত্রে 0। তাই জন্য এই এই 1 এর ক্ষেত্রে আমি দেখো y0 এর জন্য আমি কানেক্ট করেছি 1টাকে, y1 এর জন্য আবার কিছু কিন্তু কানেক্ট করিনি। y1 এর জন্য কিন্তু আমি কিছু কানেক্ট করিনি, ঠিক আছে? সিমিলারলি ফর ডেসিমাল 2 আমি কি করেছি, y0 এর জন্য দেখো y0 এর জন্য ডেসিমাল 2 তে আমি কিছু কানেক্ট করিনি, অনলি y1 এর জন্য আমি কানেক্ট করেছি। এই 2 থেকে দেখো y1 এ এসেছে একমাত্র ফর 3, সেখানে দুটোই আমার 1 1 দরকার। I need 1 1 input for both the case, both the OR gates. So that is why for 3 I have connected both the y0 and y1. So that's the basic thing about the encoder. Tell me if you have any doubt.
Sir, basically when we go for the encryption part, there are a lot of hash function, like combination of hash function we used to use, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
at that time, how this encoder used to come into the picture?
Encoder is, it's a basic encoder. Remember, it's a basic encoder circuit. What you are talking about, that is basically cryptography and all that, and encoding. There will be hash functions, there will be other functions and all that, but that is not same thing over with this. Okay, over there we will use some more techniques, some algorithms, some functions, more functions and all that. This is a very basic encoder. এই এনকোডারটা কাজ কি? This encoder is only converting the decimal input to binary output. It is like that. It's a very basic encoder. Or otherwise, what you are talking about, that is the actual encoding things, like we will use several functions and all that to make it much more secure. There are different algorithms that is used. Different mathematical algorithms are there, but this is not so. This is a very simple encoder. This is, remember, this is what talking about digital electronics. So here we are just trying to convert it from decimal input to binary output, and in that way you are trying to encode it. Now you can understand, you can say that, sir, you are just only converting decimal input to binary output. How it will be an encoding? Now it will be an encoding in that way. It will be an encoding in that way that you are sending some decimal input, but when you are sending it through your line, the data is going through the line. The data is going through. The data is going through in a binary number. So now, suppose you are sending some bit streams. I mean, suppose you are sending several numbers, 0, 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, again 100, 1000, 500, like that. So if somebody try to hack your line through which your data is going through, they will get some bit streams. Okay, they will get some bit streams like 0, 1, 1, 0, like that. Haphazardly bit streams will move through the line. So that in that way it will be secure. In that way it will be secure, because for the hacker it will be not so easy to understand that. I mean, what is these bit streams? I mean, what is the actual conversion? It will be little bit difficult for the hacker and all that. So that's the thing, is that's the motive. That's the motive. It's a very basic encoding device. Okay, the concept, try to understand. This is how in this way we can encode the thing. That's the thing is. So that is about encoder. ওকে, আমি আপাতত আজকে এনকোডার অব্দি রাখলাম। ডিকোডারটা নিয়ে আমরা পরেই আলোচনা করব, বিকজ আপাতত আমরা তাহলে আজকে আমরা তিনটে জিনিস করলাম। যে তিনটে জিনিসের মধ্যে প্রথমটা করলাম মার্কস, দ্যাট ইজ মাল্টিপ্লেক্সার। Multiplexer, it is basically there are several inputs, one output, and the inputs will go to the output based on the selection line. It is like 4:1 marks, 8:1 marks, 16:1 marks, because if select lines are n, input lines will be 2 to the power n, output lines will be 1, that is marks. It can be used as a data selector or selection device, that is marks. ওটা আমরা ফার্স্টে দেখেছি। নেক্সট আমরা দেখেছি ডিমার্কস। ডিমার্কস হচ্ছে জাস্ট অপোজিট টু মার্কস। যে কাজটা মার্কস মানে জাস্ট মার্কস দিয়ে যে কাজটা হয় তার রিভার্স কাজটা হয় ডিমার্কস দিয়ে। ডিমার্কস এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা যেটা দেখলাম সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ইনপুট লাইন একটা, সিলেক্ট লাইন n, আউটপুট লাইন 2 to the power n, that is ডিমার্কস। সিমিলারলি 1:4 ডিমার্কস, 1:8 ডিমার্কস এন্ড লাইক দ্যাট, এটা করা যায়। আর একটা হচ্ছে এনকোডার, যেটা আমরা এখন দেখছিলাম। এনকোডার এটা কি করছি আমরা, এটা বেসিক্যালি ওই বেসিক এনকোডিং ডিভাইস, সেটা কিভাবে কাজ করে আমরা সেটা বোঝার চেষ্টা করছিলাম। The basic encoding device, it is working like that. Suppose we are sending some decimal numbers or hexadecimal numbers or any kind of like that. We can convert it to some other form of it. So like here we are converting it to binary. So that's the thing is, that is basically about marks, demarks, and encoder. So I think we have to we are stopping here. Stop because just go through these things. You may have some doubts in future as well. So in the next class we will clear it up. So ঠিক আছে, আজকে থাক, এই অবধি থাক।
Excuse me, sir. Actually, the last thing what I wanted to ask, like if you're sending 0 decimal to binary, if you're doing, and we are sending the values as 0, and we wanted to know the value of the binary, like we are trying to convert the decimal to binary and we are sending 0, right? So the circuit is not getting connected, right? So what
over
will be the
here you
value?
are talking about, over here.
Yes, the
Over
circuit is
here,
not getting
whenever
connected.
okay, okay, you ask your question.
So the circuit is not getting connected. So what will be the value? Like what will be the value it will return? It will return 0 0 or like no error something.
0 0 0 0.
Because the circuit
Because
system.
when it is nothing is present, when nothing is present, by default it will be 0 0.
Okay, all right, thank you.
When nothing is present, it will be 0 0. So that is why I'm not connecting it, because you see, whenever I will connect it, then it will come 1, because whenever connect it is constant plus 5 volt DC current. Switch will be, when it will be 0, so that when it is 0 means what? This switch is getting pressed. 0 means this switch is getting pressed. 1 means this switch is getting pressed. 2 means this switch is getting pressed. 3 means this switch is getting pressed. Okay, these are switches actually. So whenever 0, so this switch will be getting pressed. Now, if this switch is getting pressed and I have connected it with these OR gates, so naturally here it will 1 1 will come. So for 0, the thing will be 1 1. So that's not the thing is. That is why I have not connected it. Okay. So fine. Okay, চলো নেক্সট ডে আমরা আবার মিট করছি। আমাদের বোধহয় কালকেই বোধহয় ক্লাস আছে। তোদের ডিপিএমএস এর ক্লাসটা বোধহয় কালকেই রাখলাম একটা। হ্যাঁ, কালকে আছে। কালকে 10টা থেকে 11:30টা ডিবিএমএস আছে। আরডিবিএমএস আছে মোর স্পেসিফিক্যালি। আর আবার ফ্রাইডে আছে 12টা থেকে 1:30টা আরডিবিএমএস আছে। ঠিক আছে? তো কালকে আবার 10টা থেকে আমরা বসছি। কালকে আমরা 10টা থেকে আবার বসছি। আপাতত এইভাবেই চলবে, দেখা যাক কি দাঁড়ায় আলটিমেটলি। লেটস প্রে টু দ্য গড দ্যাট যে এই জিনিসগুলো যেন উঠে যায়, এইভাবে অনলাইনে বেশি যত না থাকে ততই ভালো আর কি। এটাই আমরা ভগবানের কাছে এখন প্রার্থনা করি। ঠিক আছে, ওকে, চলো, বাই।
Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
for joining. Thank you for joining, everybody. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.